Police light emoji. Tiger Woods out of the Masters. What's next? Golfer emoji. Fire emoji. Golf fans, brace yourselves. Tiger Woods will not be competing at the Masters this year after suffering a ruptured Achilles tendon. Scared face emoji. This latest setback adds to the long list of injuries that have challenged the legendary golfer in recent years. Can Tiger make another comeback? And what does his absence mean for the Masters and the future of golf? Let's break it all down. Fire emoji. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay updated on all the biggest sports news. Golf flag emoji. Trophy emoji. Golf flag emoji. What happened? Stethoscope emoji. Achilles injury. Woods ruptured his Achilles tendon in mid-March during training, forcing him to withdraw from Augusta. Injured face emoji. Another setback. This injury follows multiple surgeries on his back and leg after his devastating 2021 car accident. 3 o'clock emoji. Recovery timeline. Doctors estimate a 4 to 6 month rehab process, meaning Woods may not return until late 2025. Golfer emoji. What this means for golf. Trophy emoji. Masters tournament impact. Woods' absence is a huge loss for Augusta, as he remains one of the most iconic figures in Masters history. Face with monocle emoji. Can he still compete? With so many injuries stacking up, some are questioning whether Tiger can still compete at an elite level. Disappointed face emoji. Fan reactions. Golf fans worldwide are disappointed, but many still believe Woods will make one more epic comeback. Crystal ball emoji. What's next for Tiger? Calendar emoji. Possible return date? If rehab goes well, Woods might return for the 2026 season. Golfer emoji. Legacy considerations. Regardless of future wins, Tiger's impact on golf is undeniable, and he remains one of the most influential athletes ever. Fire emoji. Final comeback? Could we see one last run at a major championship? Fans are hoping for one final Tiger Woods moment before retirement. Thought bubble emoji. What do you think? Is this the end of Tiger's legendary career, or will he shock the world with one last comeback? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Golf flag emoji. And don't forget, hit like and subscribe for more updates on the biggest sports stories. Trophy emoji. Fire emoji.